How to log into Spotify without email. First of all, simply open your Spotify and then from here simply tap on login. Then from here you can simply tap on any of those platforms that you have connected your Spotify account with, right? So if you have created your account with Google account, tap on Google, or you can tap on Facebook if you have created with Facebook, or you can tap on Apple if you have created your account using your Apple ID, or else you'd need to add in your email address, right? So if you do not want to add in your email address, then what you're going to do is enter your unique Spotify username right here. So what we're going to do is simply add in our username just like this. Then from there tap on continue, and then in here all you need to do is add in the password of your account. So after adding down the password, all you need to do is tap on login, and then from there we'll successfully be logged into our Spotify without email address. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.